Hey crypto friends, for those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Garrett and welcome to Altcoin Radar. Today I'm going to be talking about one of my personal favorite first-person shooter blockchain games called EVIO, and you'll get a little bit of gameplay in there as well, alright? Now, for those of you who are new to the channel, if you are interested in trading and would like to try out the same exchange that I use, feel free to go ahead and check out the MEXC crypto exchange with the link in the video description down below. I personally love this exchange because, one, they have over 1,500 different altcoins for altcoin nerds like myself to be able to trade at any given time. And in addition to that, you guys, as you guys can clearly see, they've got some of the cheapest fees in the industry right now. All right, we're talking 0% fees in the spot market, and we are talking almost 0% fees in the futures market as well. I mean, we've got 0.01% fees here, you guys. Extremely cheap, okay? So, as many of you guys already know, all right, as many of you guys already know who have been watching me for a while, I'm a huge fan of, I'm a big fan of the I'm a big fan of play to earn gaming, and Solana has one of the best and most fun play to earn games available that's right in your browser, okay? And today you're gonna get a first-hand look at the game, and I'll show you some gameplay as well, all right? But bear with me though, because honestly I am absolutely terrible at this game, but it is very fun to play nonetheless, all right? In addition, the game itself has been adding all kinds of new features as well, so that's kind of cool. But before I actually dive in and actually play a game or two, here's a little info about the game, all right? So, with EVIO, EVIO is a first-person shooter game pretty much built on Solana that's both free to play and play to earn, all right? Each weapon and player skin in this game has a power level, basically, and the higher you increase the power level, the more SOL you will earn for every achievement in the game, all right? In addition, just like in most NFT play-to-earn games, the NFTs with the highest power levels in this game absolutely become, the most rare and valuable, all right? As well as earn the most SOL for, completing achievements and stuff like that. And players can also buy EVIO NFTs on both Fractal and the secondary market as well. Here's Fractal right here. We can clearly see they've got all kinds of different skins and stuff you can buy and whatnot. Just all kinds of different things you can buy for EVIO right in here. And you can access this from the crypto tab in their website and hit marketplace right down here, all right? So the mechanics of this game are honestly pretty simple and self-explanatory too. When the game starts, players basically get teleported into a sci-fi related map where they're pretty much able to fight each other, and players are able to double jump, triple jump, pick up weapons, and make use of various abilities as well. So now that you guys know a little bit about this game, let's go ahead and check it out and play a quick game so you can get a first-hand glimpse of what the gameplay is all about. And feel free to go ahead and laugh. Hey, feel free to go ahead and laugh and make fun of me all you want. No issues there whatsoever at my poor excuse of gaming here, because although it's extremely fun to play, like I said earlier, you guys, I'm extremely terrible at this game, all right? So let's go ahead and check this out, okay? So I will go ahead and click here. So as you guys can clearly see, it says click to play. Public game, you can do deathmatch earn, you can do sniper shotgun, team deathmatch, or survival earn. So like I said, we are going to be playing the free to play type game. We're not going to be doing play to earn here because I'm not going to log in for this video, show people my password and all that kind of stuff. So we'll go ahead and just do a basic game here. So as far as the controls go here, basically spacebar is, to jump, and then you've got your, WASD on your keys for, movement and stuff like that. And then you've got, R for reload, and then you've got, if you click your left mouse button, it's going to shoot. If you click your right mouse button, it's going to pretty much zoom in here. So we are in the game already, okay? So as you guys can clearly see, I'm moving around, and we'll go ahead and, oh, there's a guy right there. See, I'm terrible at this game. This is hilarious. But I don't know how he doesn't see me. He's going to kill me. Where'd he go? Oh, boy. Come on, buddy. Quit moving. Oh, boy. They're going to tag team me. See, I am terrible at this game, you guys. Oh, this is great fun, though. Like, this is a lot of fun. I enjoy this. I don't know why. I really have no idea why, but it looks like I'm spawning in the same spot. So let's go get these guys and try to. Ooh, I got one. I think, I'm not sure. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Get him. Well, he ran away. Alright, I need to reload. Maybe I'll pick up this weapon. Or ability. I don't know what I just picked up. Where is he? There he is. Let's go catch him. Let's go get him. Alright, don't worry. We will only play until this game is over with. I'm not sure how much time. Oh, there's 7 seconds left in the game. Ooh, there's a guy. Easy kill. Boom, I got one. Ooh, looks like his buddy got me though. He had a pretty cool looking skin, so. Alright, so as you guys can clearly see here, I am guest 197. Well, apparently I haven't gotten any kills yet. I thought I may have gotten a kill, but apparently not. So as you guys can clearly see here at the end of the game, they put out a scoreboard and stuff like that. And if you earn stuff, you can, it'll tell you right in there. And it went a little too fast for me. So now it's going to simply load me into another game. So if you want to play another game, you just simply go in here. As you guys can clearly see, there's all kinds of different maps. And we've got a guy shooting already. I got him. I got a kill. Headshot. Nice. Oh, see guys, this is too much fun. It's like really addicting, and the best part is, you guys, the best part about this game is it like doesn't bog down your computer like at all. Like I have no issues playing this game whatsoever. So it's pretty nice, to be honest with you. It doesn't use a lot of resources in your computer whatsoever. So it's pretty nice. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and exit this game, and we'll go out of here. All right, so I'm out of the game. Pretty much it. All right, well, I'm actually still technically in the game, and I have to click to play again, but there you have it, you guys. That's overall here, you guys, that's pretty much it. This game is super fun. It's been around for quite a little bit now, and it's a lot of fun. It's a fun, addicting game to pass the time if you're bored or something like that. And hey, if you want to play for some money and try to take your chances on making some SOL, then hey, go ahead and do the play to earn model and start to earn some free money doing it if you can. But overall here, you guys, EVIO is a super fun and addicting game that literally anyone can access with a desktop browser, and you can play it. In addition, the EVIO team is making more and more progress on a regular basis, and they announce new features on a frequent basis in their community Discord channel as well. So go ahead and give it a shot if you are a huge fan like myself of arcade-style first-person shooter games, because this game is honestly a ton of fun. All right. Now, if any of you guys got any questions or anything like that whatsoever about anything I mentioned in this video, or anything that's related to altcoins or trading or anything like that, feel free to reach out to me on in my free community Discord server, which you can find a link to also in the in the description below this video. But overall here, you guys, hey, that's gonna pretty much do it for this video. So I'll go ahead and wrap this one up. But again, guys, hey, before you guys leave, go ahead and make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you never miss a new crypto and altcoin video from me on a regular basis. And hey guys, with that said, thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the comment section down below of my future videos.